Hi guys, it's Catherine and I'm going to teach you guys how to find the molar mass given 55 grams of ascorbic acid, 250 grams of water, and then the KF of water as well as temperature. So as you can see here, we're given 55 grams of ascorbic acid, and we're given 250 grams of water, plus the KF of water is equal to 1.86 degrees Celsius of the molality. So molality is basically saying it's moles of solute over kilograms of solvent. So here, the 250 grams of water is going to be our solvent, and the 55 grams of ascorbic acid is going to be our solute. So the first thing that we have to do is to find the molarity given the KF and the temperature. So the equation that we're going to use is the change in TF is equal to I, KF, and then the molality. So if you plug in the values that we have here, you'll get the TF is equal to 2.34 degrees Celsius is equal to 1 times 1.86 degrees Celsius of M, and then you have M, which is just going to be X, because that's what we're looking for right there. So all you have to do here is divide the 2.34 and divide it by 1.86, and then you end up getting a molality that is equal to 1.26. So now that you have the molality, you'll have the moles of solute at this point, and since you have the moles of solute, you can solve for molality. And all you have to do there is divide it by kilograms of the 250. So that's basically 0.250 kilograms of solvent. And from there, your molality is equal to 0.315. 0.315 M. So if you want to write that down, I'm going to be erasing. So you can go ahead and pause the video and just resume it whenever you're done writing all the steps. And there's only one final step after this, so it's not too long. So I'm going to go ahead and erase. So from here, since we're trying to find the molar mass and not the molality, what we do is we take the 55 grams of ascorbic acid. So this is, I'm just going to put AA. We take the ascorbic acid and we divide that by the 0.315 molals, which is basically the moles over kilograms. So after we do this, we see that it's equal to 175 grams per mole after we do this. And that is answer choice letter D. So I hope nothing was confusing and you understood everything. If you need to go back and resume if you missed a step, then go ahead and do that. But other than that, thanks so much for watching, guys.